Ultra Mobile, operating on T-Mobile's network, makes SIM activation easy primarily online. As of September 2025, you'll generally purchase a SIM kit or eSIM from Ultra Mobile's website or a retailer. Then create or log into your Ultra Mobile account via their website or app. Enter your SIM card number or scan the QR code for eSIMs. Select your desired plan, add payment information, and confirm. If it's a physical SIM, insert it into your phone. Finally, power on your device and it should automatically register on the network. Test your connection by making a call or checking your data. Physical SIM kits are becoming less common, with eSIM activations rising. If you encounter issues during activation, Ultra Mobile provides AI-driven chatbots on their website and app for instant real-time support. Common problems include brief delays during peak hours, but they've improved this with advanced cloud-based queuing systems to handle high demand efficiently. Looking ahead, a major trend is the rise of eSIM technology, expected to surpass physical SIM cards by 2030, according to industry reports. Ultra Mobile already offers digital SIM twins, allowing seamless switching between devices without reactivation. The future will bring even more AI-assisted setups, potentially including biometric activation methods like fingerprint scanning. As T-Mobile expands its 5G network, activations will include IoT-optimized options for connected devices. Always refer to Ultra Mobile's website for the latest process updates and innovations.